Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Syara Rukaya. I'm majoring in English Education at the State Islamic University of Sunan Gunung Jati, Bandung. Allow me to share a little material about English consonant based on place articulation and manner articulation, which I will give a little explanation on the Zoom display. To dish out what the material is like, it will be discussed immediately. English consonant based on place articulation and manner articulation. If English is not your first language, making English sounds does not come naturally. You may speak a language that has many similar sounds, but there's a good chance your native language does not include all of the sounds of English. That's why you need to understand how and where the sounds of English occur. The how of making sounds is called the manner of articulation. The word of making sound is called the place of articulation. In this post, we will look at every consonant sound in English. I will talk about how they are created and where they are created. Okay, next. What is manner of articulation? What is? Manner of articulation is the how of making sound. Manner of articulation is second language learning is important because pronunciation doesn't come as naturally as when learning our first language. It's important to know how sounds are made so that you can pronounce sound correctly and speak more clearly. In this section, we will talk about manner of articulation or how we make sound. There are 6 different ways or manner of articulation that we will discuss in this lesson. One, stop or plosive. We build pressure of air and then release it. This is a sudden burst of air. Example of stop include b, t, d, k, dan k. Take a look at stops in this word. Initial sounds. P for pig, b for big, t for tall, d for dead, k for kick, g for guard. Okay, next slide. There are fricative. We stop part of the air so it can come through everywhere. It is a stream of air. Imagine a river of water flowing. Then imagine putting a large rock in the center of the river. The flow of the water would change because of the large rock, but the water would still flow around it. This is a strong description of what a fricative sound is for. There is a flowing river of air, and you partially block it with your tongue, teeth, or lips. Sound include f, z, h, s, z, h. Check at fricative in this word. Initial sound. F for F for fun, S for sun, Z for jeep, H for hello, S for ship. Final sound. F for half, F for half, S for pass, Z for has. This sound does not occur at the end of word in English. It occurs in the beginning or middle of English word. Next, ada S for was, H for watch. The sound at the final position is rare. It usually occurs in the middle of English words. Next, H for bed and H for bed. Next, yang ketiga ada affricate. We combine stop and fricative to form affricates. Example include ch and ch. Affricates start with a stop and then transition into a fricative. Initial sound. Ch for chip, ch, for just. Final sound H for catch and Ch for batch. Yang keempat ada nasal. We close our palate and let air stream through the nose. Example include m, n, eng. Initial sound. M for moon, n for nap, n. This sound does not occur at the beginning of word in English. Okay, next ada liquid. We let air stream on the sides of our tongue. Example include R and L. Initial sound. R for red, L for light. Final sound. R for there, L for fill. Okay. Next, glide. We move our mouth constantly from an articulation to a vowel sound. Example include W and Y. Initial sound. W for wind, Y for yellow. Final sound. W. The sound does not usually occur at the end of a word in English. When you see a W at the end of a word, it usually means you bring your lips together in a small circle near the end of the vowel sound that comes before it, but the W sound is not produced. Yeah, the sound does not usually occur at the end of a word in English. What is the place of articulation? What is? Place of articulation is the where of pronunciation. Is the location of where sounds are produced. First, we will look where the different parts of the mouth are located, and then look at where each of the English consonants are pronounced. The place of articulation is important in pronunciation because you must know where the product sound in order to pronounce them correctly. If you are not pronouncing a consonant correctly, it's probably because the place of articulation is not correct as you are pronouncing the sound. Here are the paths of articulation you will learn. Labels, lips, dentals, teeth, tongue, palate, roof of the mouth. The hard palate is the harder part of the roof of the mouth. In the front half of the mouth, the soft palate is farther back, near the rear of the mouth. Alveolar ridge, that comes behind your top teeth. If you are not pronouncing a consonant correctly, it's usually because you are not articulating the consonant in the correct location. Sometimes it's important to go back to basic and make sure that your tongue, teeth, and lips are in the right shapes and location in order to produce the sound you want to make. Okay, next material, filler. Formed by patting the back part of the tongue against the soft palate. K for card, G for guard, Ng for song. And interdentals, formed by patting the tongue between the teeth. H for thick, H for top. Okay, next, tongue twister. Tongue twister for consonant pronunciation practice. Are you ready to practice your consonant sound? Here are some tongue twisters that focus on different consonant sound. For each one, I will list what sound in is practiced. That way, you can focus on the sound you have the most difficult with. Example, K and K. How many cookies could a good cook cook? If a good cook could cook cookies, a good cook could cook as much cookies as a good cook who could cook cookies. And sing a song along with Trong. Trong sings a long song. Sing a song along with Trong. Trong sings a long song. Sekian materi yang dapat saya sampaikan, kurang lebihnya mohon maaf. Maaf jika ada kesalahan kata dalam pengucapan bahasa Inggris. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.